Hi guys, so welcome back to Foodie5e and we are back again with another recipe. So today we are going to make waffles in sandwich maker. So this is a very easy and very yummy recipe. Now you can make it at home also. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. So stay tuned for the recipe. So we are all set to make our waffles. We are taking a big bowl. उसमें जाएगा अराउंड 1.5 कप ऑफ मिल्क. दिस हैज़ टू बी ऑन रूम टेम्परेचर. फ्रिज से निकाल करके दूध इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है. सो मेक श्योर वेन एवर यू आर यूजिंग मिल्क फॉर द वॉफल्स इट हैज़ टू बी ऑन रूम टेम्परेचर. So next we are going to add around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and once it will start curdling we'll add our next ingredient. अगर आपके पास लेमन जूस नहीं है अवेलेबल then you can go for like white vinegar in this. मिक्स करेंगे and you can see the milk has started curdling. So you can see the milk has started curdling and it is almost done. So what we are going to do is we are going to add the butter in it. We are taking around 1/4 cup of butter here, melted form. Next in this we are going to add vanilla essence around 1 tablespoon. It is going to give a good flavor and a good smell also. सब चीज़ों को अच्छे से विस्क करेंगे, हम मिक्स करेंगे प्रॉपर्ली एंड देन उसमें हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे हमारे ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स. विल टेक अ सीव और स्ट्रेनर और उसमें हम ऐड करेंगे अराउंड 2 कप्स ऑफ ऑल पर्पस फ्लावर यानी कि मैदा. देन विल ऐड इन अराउंड 1 tablespoon ऑफ बेकिंग पाउडर. नाउ विल सीव द होल मिक्सचर इनटू द वेट इंग्रेडिएंट प्रॉपर्ली. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन डू दिस प्रोसेस सेपरेटली एंड देन उसके बाद आप इसमें ड्राई मिक्सचर ऐड कर दें. उसके बाद इसमें जाएगी शुगर. मैंने यहाँ पे नॉर्मल 1/4 कप शुगर का यूज़ किया है. नाउ आफ्टर एडिंग ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स वी हैव टू विस्क इट slowly एंड मिक्स ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट प्रॉपर्ली एंड टर्न इट इनटू अ लम्प फ्री बैटर. नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड सम वाटर बिकॉज वी कैन सी जो बैटर है वो थोड़ा थिक है. So just to make it flowy we are going to add इसमें warm water. Around 1/3 cup of water we are adding here. I suggest you that don't add water in one go because it will be very difficult to mix. Gradually add and make it into a lump-free batter. And see, we are mixing it very nicely because we want a lump-free batter for our waffles. So my batter is ready. Make sure you're using hot water. Should not use cold water. Now we'll see our grill. I have applied butter nicely and then I'm going to pour the batter inside this. So I'm making 2 waffles because according to my grill machine you can choose the size and number of the waffles according to your convenience. After pouring the batter I have closed my grill machine and waiting to get it cooked properly. So now I'll check. See, it is cooked from one side. Now I'm going to flip it and cook it from the other side also. Very gently you have to flip. So just to get a texture of waffles I'm going to cook it in a different directions so that it will get that checks wala texture of waffle. So you can see how easy to cook waffles at home. At times our family members or our kids demand for waffles and we don't want to go out as the time going on. So now you can cook it at home and without any waffle machine. You can cook it in your sandwich maker. So see, it has got a proper color and a texture also. If you want you can flip it and cook it more for some time until it gets cooked properly. Once it gets cooked properly you can take it out and serve to your kids, your family members. So one more time I'm going to show the whole process in a time lapse. Please see, you have to apply butter before pouring the batter. Make sure you're applying the butter very nicely so that it will not stick to your pan or your grill toaster. So you have to apply butter. So now you have to pour the mixture properly, very carefully. If you want you can use the ice cream scoop also for and cook it the way I have told you. My waffles are ready. I'm going to dust some icing sugar on the top to make it look more appealing and tempting. And you can top it with some berries or some fruits or maybe some ice cream, a scoop of ice cream also. I'm going to pour some chocolate sauce on the top and now it is looking more tempting and more appealing. So if you're going to try this recipe, don't forget to let me know in the comment section and like this video also. And if you're watching this recipe for the first time on my channel, I request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Until then, take care. Thank you for watching.